This is question 2 for today. The price and cost functions of a firm are this. P is equals 140 minus 15Q. C is equals Q raised power 3 minus 10 plus 140. Calculate the level of output that will maximize profits. So this one is very easy. So let's go the same way like the first one. You are giving your P. So what is your formula for your total revenue? Don't forget, total revenue, transit on the board, is equals to P times Q. So if you want to know the revenue now, your price times the quantity. So what is the price on the board? 140 minus 15Q times Q. So open the bracket, 40 Q times this one, 140Q. This times this 15Q square. That's all you're having. So let's go to given the total cost already. Total cost. You can also look for this immediately. What is marginal revenue? That's what we call marginal revenue. What is marginal revenue here? Is change in total revenue all over change in quantity. So this is what they call marginal revenue. So we are going to use that since differentiation. Change in total revenue all over change in quantity. So you do that here. Change in TR over change in Q, as you used to do, which is DTR over DQ. DTR over DQ, outside over inside. So what is there? Of 140Q, that is 140 minus 2 times 15, this is 30Q. So we are done there. So let's go to total cost now. The same way, my total cost is equals to Q raised power 3 minus 10Q plus 140. And if you are looking for the marginal cost, the formula is for change in total cost all over change in quantity. That is the formula. So mean that outside over inside. So DTC over DQ. So let's go. Q raised power 3, that is 3 times 1, 3. Remove 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Minus, derivative of 10Q is 10. So that is what we're having. And there is a law under the principles of output. Marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So meaning that your marginal revenue here is equal to your marginal cost. Your marginal revenue, 140 minus 30Q. 140 minus 30Q. And what is your marginal cost on the board? 3Q squared minus 10. So that is what we're having. So correct like time and see or rearrange. What do you have? A 3Q squared minus 30Q going there, that is plus 30Q. Is that also? Which one is that to be a minus 10? 140 is going, that is minus 140 is equals to 0. So what do you have? A 3Q squared plus 30Q. This minus 150 is equals to 0. So divide 3 can go by 3 by 3 by 3. 3 cancel 3. What do you have? A Q square plus 3 in 30Q, that is 10Q, minus 3 here, that is 50, is equals to 0. So that is what you are having. So let's A is 1, the coefficient 1, B is 10, then C is the third one minus 50. This A coefficient, B. So using your formula, my formula, Q is equals to minus B plus or minus square root B square minus 4AC over 2A. So let's use the all four together. So Q is equals to minus, what is your B? 10 plus or minus 10 square minus 4. A is 1, C is minus 50 all over 2A. So Q is equals to minus 10 plus or minus, what do you have? 10 square 100 minus times minus plus 4 times 50, 200. Multiply all of them together. There's minus here. Minus times minus is plus all over 2 times 1, 2. So Q is equals to minus 10 plus or minus, what do you have? A 300 all over 2. So Q is equals to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 300. 17.32 over 2. So Q is equals to, you can separate minus 10 plus 17.32 over 2, or Q is equals to minus 10 minus 17.32 over 2. Then so Q is equals to, what do you have? Minus 10 plus this, you have remove 10 from the, that is 7.32 over 2, or minus 10 minus, what do you have? Minus 27.32 over 2. So at the end of the day, Q is equals to 2 here, that is you're having 3 points, add one, that is 66, or minus 2 here, that is 13, made that one, that is 13.66. So that is the answer we are having here. So from the question, we want to test the level of output of this. So how can we test the level of output? At maximum output, your d squared y over dx squared is equals to 0. Or if you don't want to use that, you can actually use your dq of maximum revenue should be less than your ddq of maximum cost. So at this point, you can use anyone you like. So this, let's use this here because this one is very easy. We have it on the board already. So the meaning that we should derivate our marginal revenue again. What is the marginal revenue that we have there? This is it here, 140 minus 30Q. If marginal revenue is equals to 140 minus 30Q, to derivate it again, D over dq of marginal revenue is equals to, this one is 0, that is minus 30. This one is minus the coefficient. So that is to this. Also to the other ones, what do you have there? Marginal cost. Your marginal cost is 3Q squared minus 10. So to derivate it again, D dq of marginal cost is equals to, what do you have here? 2 times 3 is 6, that is 6, is equals to 6Q. Less than 6Q according to them. So let's test. You want to know whether is it at this or this. So test when Q is equals to 3.66. Test, let's see. So that will be minus 30 less than 6 open bracket. Your Q is 3.66. So minus 30 less than 6 times 3.66, 21.96. So you can see now minus 30 is less than 21.96, so it's correct. So I can obtain the first and second derivative of this. So this is higher derivative. So this is the third question for today. So let's see. Y is equals to 14s squared minus 3s open bracket 2s raised to power 4. So I told you when you have two brackets, it's product through. But you can also use the simplest method in your exams. Since you can use this to open the brackets, so just use it. So y is equals to, what do you have here? 2s raised to power 4 into bracket of 14s raised to power 2 minus 3s. Because in the norms, when you have two brackets like this, it's product through. So let's use short method. 2 times 14, 28. S raised to power 4 times s raised to power 2, that is s raised to power 6. Plus 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. S raised to power 4 and there is one s raised to power 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. That is s raised to power 5. Then the first one, find the first derivative, dy over ds. So this is what we call first derivative. Is equals to 6 times 28. Let's get that. 6 times 8, 24. Keep 2. 6 times 2, 12 plus 2. That is 144. S raised to power. Remove 1. That is 5. Minus 5 times 6, 30. S raised to power 4. So when you remove 1. So that is the first one. Then the second one, we have to look for the second derivative. The second derivative now is equals to dy over ds is equals to, now this times this. Now I told you that your second derivative will be d square y over ds square. The meaning is that d ds open bracket of this one dy over ds, meaning that you should redifferentiate it. So that is the meaning. So let's go on with that. D square y over ds square is equals to, what do you have here? 5 times 144. 5 times 4, 20. Right there, you keep 2. 5 times 4, 20 plus 2, 22. That is what you have here, 2. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2. That is 7. 720. S raised to power 5 minus 1, 4. 4 times 30, 120. S raised to power. Remove 1, that is 3. So this is the answer to this. So if you know that this particular question that we solve on Echo 104, you understand it and it's meaningful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow for more. And if you have any questions, just comment on the questions. And if you have anything, just please and please put it on the comment section. Thanks.